Alright, family, see there? Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna paint the trellis, some natural color. Yeah, green, you know? So, quick look at work we're gonna do upon this. Make sure so the trellis is nice and painted. You know what I mean? And then I'll paint it in the evening, yeah? So that way when we put in the rest of the deck, they're already painted. Alright? So, you can see what I'm going to see over there, so I paint, start already. I'm going to work on this side. I have a little bit of work to do. Take off this little, this for the hose wrap around, you know. Get your mind out the gut. Dirty people. Alright. You know what I'm talking about. So, yeah. We're gonna paint the trellis. Now my grapes on top of this, So let me go up top so they can see. Here's my grapevine. I don't know if they can see. You can see the vines right now, them dormant right now. But once the spring come in, right? Yeah. I'm gonna refurbish themselves and regrow, so I'm gonna get some leaves and stuff on it. So the plan is to hopefully eventually cover this entire thing with grape leaves and get fruits from it, But right now we're gonna paint the trellis. One for kind of have a nice good color for match up to the deck, and then also protect the wood. Alright, yeah. Protect the wood, you have to protect the wood. You don't know it already. So yeah man, we're gonna paint this up and set it up. Alright, so stay tuned and just watch where I go. We're gonna start do some work. Alright, well didn't start the work already, we're gonna continue with the work. So stay tuned and check in shortly. Alright, check in. So yeah, we decided this evening we were gonna do a little bit of touch up on this trellis. That's what I say. That's what I showing earlier. The grapes they're up top are grow, but lay down the foundation for the deck when I really staple it down yet, So what I wanted to do was get this trellis painted before at least the lower level. We can do the touch-ups. As you can see, Lynn is over there doing the touch-ups. So we decided we use a little natural. It's just avocado green in Jamaican language. Pear green. And we didn't call avocado up here, so we call it pear. So yeah. So I'm gonna like the color still, Yeah man. So decorate gray and black. I'm gonna put a little splash in it, and then we have the little avocado green there. For the trellis. And then once the grapes them kick in again, yeah man, it's gonna look nice. Yeah. So this is where we are. So I said we just step out in the evening, nice and cool. So we decided so we not too cold, cool. So we decided so we go come outside and just do a painting. I think Linda more painting than me still, but I have only for other things to deal with. Feed the dog them and everything else. I don't know me not check for the chicken them yet still. But then it's doing a couple more touch-ups. And as I say, we just start. The main thing was to get the lower level down as well. You can see like down here. So once you put in the decking, at least that lower level is done. So we're not worried about getting paint, on the new decking. And then those little open spaces we're gonna fill in, Yeah. Might not even paint the top layers, just leave that as is. And then just keep this the natural green, So yeah, still in there, finish up a couple of open spots on this side, and then we'll come back and get the rest side painted green. So yeah, that is it. We are done. Well, we're just gonna wrapping up for the day, finishing up those little spots. I'm gonna help Lynn finish up this last couple little spots with grab my brush and finish up these last little spots, So yeah, man. So I'm gonna say, work never ends, So, once we finish work, once we finish work for the day, then we'll come outside and work on the yard, because we still have a job. We have a job we have to go do every day still, but still, and then look at opportunity we get to finish up some projects. We come outside and finish up. So, yeah, man, stay tuned, and then we will show you how everything look once everything is completed. We give you a full overview of how everything is completed. All right. So yeah, man, remember, keep it going. Yeah, man, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, man, turn on the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. All of my subscribers, them, especially all my fans, them from Junior Lifestyle. Junior, big up yourself. Sharpman, D&G, Steph. Everybody big up yourself. Jam Houston. Yeah, man, I know you're there at school right now, Yeah, man, I get another certification, but you don't know. Knowledge is key, so you have to go and do it. Yeah, man, go and chip chat, my brother. You don't know it, go already. Yeah, man, Tata. Family Lifestyle, big up yourself. You don't know it, go already. Yeah, man, Jamaica Adventure TV. Yeah, man. All of the money want to go and do it. Pick up on yourself. Too many to mention. Jamaica, I always say Jamaica shore fishing. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, brother. You don't know it already. Yeah, man. You've got to write on a list so we can mention everybody. Yeah, man. Colors TV, go and do your thing, brother. You don't know it already. So make nobody stop you from doing it, Yeah, man. Such is life. 4. Yeah, man. Hidden Boss. Yeah, man. Want to do the thing, man. You don't know it already. We bless up everybody, Yeah, man. You don't know it go. This is for all of us, So yeah, man, we'll go and deal with it. That's what I say. I'm gonna put on the camera now because I've got help then finish paint. So, I will see you on the next one, alright? Yeah, man. This is just a small update to the deck project, Yeah, man. So until next time, yeah, man. God bless.